how to fix DHgate payment failed. So I'm going to show you what you have to do. First, you want to add some items to your cart and then proceed to the checkout. So I'm going to check this and click on checkout. Now the first thing that I suggest doing is checking your information, such as your shipping address here and all of your information. And also you need to check the payment methods. So if it tells you payment failed, then chances are you will have multiple payment methods available. So if one doesn't work, then you can try any of the other available payment methods here on DHgate. So for example, if you're using Apple Pay and it doesn't work, you can add a card directly here from this section. And also for my country, I have the option of adding Skrill as well. So that is what I recommend doing. If you are using a bank transfer, then you may need to authorize the transaction with your bank. So that is also another thing that you have to keep in mind. You might need to open up your bank's app or website and authorize the transaction. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.